What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm gonna be doing analysis on DIS ticker. And in today's video, first of all, I will show you where we are on the price chart and how we get there. Then I will continue with the fundamental news that definitely will drive the price of this company higher. And at the end of this video, I will share my thoughts and my technical analysis. And I will show you what should we expect next. And before we get into all of that, if you guys would like to earn 2 free stocks with Moomoo valued up to $7,000, please check out that link in the description below. All you have to do is sign up for an account and deposit as little as $1. This is guaranteed free money. Full details you can see on the screen right now. So let's start with the price chart. As you can see, this asset is quite technical, and let me show you why I think so. From the bottom of March 2020 till the top, it surged up for about 150%, and it has several waves inside this movement. And from this top, it went to its lowest point so far at 36% of decrease. And let me show you that if I pull the Fibonacci retracement tool from this top to this bottom, we have very good price action around the Fib levels. We hit the 0.5 level at the beginning of 2021, then bounced back, and with the resistance from 55 exponential moving average, it has a rollover and went lower, almost hit the golden pocket range, and from this point it surged up for more than, let me show it to you, 13%. Very good movement, and I will show you my detailed technical analysis in just several minutes, and let's continue with the fundamentals of this company. So, you all know that Disney Company is a very famous entertainment company, and I don't want to dive deep into their company profile. Let me continue with their latest earnings report and the results basically. On February the 9th we have this article, and it's titled Disney non-GAAP earnings per share of $1.06 beats by $0.43. Revenue of $21.82 billion beat by $860 million. Definitely, these numbers are extremely impressive, and moreover, let me show you this article. It was published also on February the 9th, and it says Disney jumps 7% after parks lead easy earnings beat, streaming subs impress. Walt Disney has jumped 6.5% after blowing out its fiscal first quarter earnings expectations, topping consensus on the top and bottom lines and reporting more Disney Plus subscribers than forecast. Earnings per share was 68% better than expected, and the company beat revenue forecasts for just under $21 billion by nearly $900 million. That came largely due to upside in parks and products, where revenues of $7.23 billion were more than $1 billion better than expected. Disney Media and Entertainment Distribution revenue was in line with expectations at $14.59 billion. Parks, experiences and products were also significantly more profitable than expected, with operating income of $2.45 billion versus an expected $1.35 billion, and DMED also added $808 million in operating income versus $764.4 million expected. The Mouse House was expected to add about 7 million Disney Plus subscribers in a bounce back from last quarter's 2.1 million net adds. Instead, it drew 11.8 million subs to hit 129.8 million. Across its streaming portfolio, subscriptions rose to 196.4 million. And let me quote you the CEO of this company, Bob Chapek, and he says, "We've had a very strong start to the fiscal year with a significant rise in earnings per share, record revenue and operating income at our domestic parks and resorts, the launch of a new franchise with Encanto, and a significant increase in total subscriptions across our streaming portfolio." And let me add some comments from CFO. And let me quote you this. Attendance trends are still getting stronger. Chief Financial Officer Christine McCarthy amplified. It was up by double digits versus Q4 at Disneyland and Walt Disney World. And per capita spending was up 40% year over year amid higher outlays on food, beverages and merchandise. That's exceeding pre-pandemic levels now, impressive even as the company continues to manage attendance tied to the COVID-19 pandemic, she notes. And definitely some of analysts might think that it was a pandemic relief that caused the increase in their numbers, but because of this statement that they exceeded the pre-pandemic levels, and definitely, in my opinion, Disney stock is extremely attractive from the fundamental standpoint. And let me show you the forecast from TipRanks. For now, it has 22 ratings, 15 of them suggest to buy, 7 to hold and 0 to sell. And the price targets are following. At the lower end, it is at $165. Average price target is $194.5 and the highest price target is $229. It has about 32% of upside potential to the average price target. And let me show you their institutional owners list. Right here we can see that we have a lot of green rows and just a fraction of red ones. This means more institutional owners open their new positions with this asset. So, and let's continue with the technical analysis, but before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So guys, first of all, we have to understand where we are on a price chart. And let me show you that, in my opinion, this movement to the upside was in a shape of 5-wave structure, and we have complete all 5 waves. And from this range we have this retracement, and technically let me show you that we have our A wave in the shape of simple zigzag. Then we have our B wave again in the shape of simple zigzag, and we have our C wave in a 5-wave structure, and most likely we have the bottom of our C wave right here at the bottom of the 5th wave, and technically we complete the entire retracement from the top to the bottom, and I don't need these waves. This means most likely this bottom of the C wave is the local bottom for the price action from the mid of March till present day. And for now we have this movement to the upside. So what should you do if you want to enter your position? You have two options. First of all, if you want to invest in this asset, just accumulate your position on the way down, and definitely we will see some kind of retracement right after the excitement of their earnings report. And let me switch to 4 hours time frame. Right here, as you can see, we have this massive spike in price on the after hours trading session right after the earnings report. And if we will take a look on the RSI, as you can see, 4 hours RSI is extremely high. Let me switch to 3 hours. It is also extremely high, and 2 hours the same. And hourly RSI is also extremely high at the levels of 84.59. This means most likely in upcoming session we have to see some kind of consolidation phase in order to retrace. Basically we have two possibilities. First of all, we might retrace only this wave from this top to this, from this bottom to this top, and we can land at the ranges of $153.83, $151.41, and the golden pocket around $148. But if we complete all 5 waves, and I have some doubts about this price action, but still from this very bottom, let me attach this range more properly. We have the same ranges but different price targets. You can accumulate your position on $149.21, $145.36, and around $140. Definitely, if we will have this deep price action to the $140, it will be an amazing opportunity to enter your long-term position. So I think from the technical standpoint that's it for now. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell, and see you guys and girls next time. Bye!